Using peptides but seeing little or no results? What if the problem isn't peptides, but the mistakes you're making while using them? Today, I'll reveal the top 5 peptide mistakes almost everyone makes, and exactly how to fix them the smart way. Peptides are one of the fastest-growing health trends in the USA right now. People use them for fat loss, muscle recovery, anti-aging, skin health, and overall performance. But here's the truth. Most people fail with peptides, not because they don't work, but because they use them incorrectly. This video is for educational purposes only. Always consult a qualified healthcare professional. Let's begin. Mistake number 1. Expecting instant or steroid-like results. Many beginners think peptides work like steroids. They don't. Peptides support natural processes. They don't force results. If your diet is poor, sleep is inconsistent, stress is high, peptides won't magically fix that. Fix. Think of peptides as a multiplier, not a shortcut. To get results, eat clean, protein-rich meals. Sleep 7 to 8 hours. Train consistently. Peptides enhance good habits. They don't replace them. Mistake number 2. Using peptides without a clear goal. This is extremely common in the USA. People stack multiple peptides for fat loss, muscle, anti-aging, all at once without a clear purpose. Result? Confusion and disappointment. Fix. Choose one primary goal: fat loss, recovery, skin and aging, energy and vitality. Then select peptides that support that specific goal. Simple plans work best. Mistake number 3. Wrong dosage or inconsistent use. Some people underdose, others overdose. Both are mistakes. Peptides need correct dosage, consistency, and time. Skipping days or guessing doses leads to failure. Fix. Follow research-based dosage ranges. Stay consistent. Track how your body responds. Peptides are not overnight solutions. They're long-term tools. Mistake number 4. Buying low-quality or fake peptides. This mistake costs people real money. Cheap peptides from unknown sources may be underdosed, contaminated, or completely fake. Many people say peptides don't work, but they never used real ones. Fix. Avoid suspiciously cheap products. Look for third-party testing. Transparency matters. Your health is worth more than saving a few dollars. Mistake number 5. Ignoring lifestyle while using peptides. This is the silent killer. People use peptides but sleep 5 hours, eat junk food, never train, then blame peptides. Fix. Combine peptides with strength training, daily movement, hydration, balanced nutrition. Peptides reward discipline. They don't replace it. Peptides can be powerful when used correctly. Avoid these 5 mistakes and you'll save money, protect your health, and get better results. If this helped you, like, subscribe, and comment below. Welcome to ZenUp, where smart health meets real results.